Question 13a. A rectangle has side of length 6.1 cm and 8.1 cm. Correct to two significant figures. Calculate the upper bound of 6 rectangle. The upper bound for 6.1 cm correct to the nearest two significant figure is equals to 6.1 plus 0.05, which is equals to 6.15 centimeter. The upper bound of 8.1 centimeter is the sum of 8.1 and 0.05, which is equals to 8.15. So the upper bound of one area is equals to the product of 6.15 and 8.15. If you want to find the upper bound of 6 rectangle, so we take 6 multiply 6.15 and multiply 8.15, which is equals to 301 when this is correct to the nearest 3 significant figures. Part B. The mass of a cube 3 cm is given as 120 grams. The side is accurate to the nearest 10 mm and the mass accurate to the nearest gram. So, for the mass 120 grams, the upper bound is 120.5 and the lower bound is 119.5 grams. For the side of 3 cm, the upper bound is 3.5 cm and the lower bound is 3.5 cm. However, we need volume, so we cube the side to get the volume. So the volume, the upper bound of the volume is equals to the cube of 3.5 and the lower bound of the volume is equals to the cube of 2.5. Now we need to find the density. So density is equals to mass over volume. So now we have density. So the upper bound of the density is equals to the upper bound of mass, which is 120.5, divided by the lower bound of the volume, which is the cube of 2.5. And the lower bound can be found by calculating the quotient between the lower bound of the mass, 119.5, divided by the upper bound of the volume, 3.5 cube. So the upper bound and lower bound of the density is 7.71 gram per centimeter cubed and 2.79 gram per centimeter cube when this is correct to the nearest 3 significant figures. So this is 7.71 and this is 2.79.